This Empava 24-inch electric wall oven offers a compact exterior with a surprisingly generous interior that comfortably handles family meals and baking projects. Its convection system circulates hot air evenly so roasts, cookies, and casseroles cook through more quickly and consistently than in a basic radiant oven. The built-in rotisserie function is a standout, turning out evenly browned poultry and roasts that rival what you would expect from a dedicated countertop rotisserie. Sensitive glass touch controls, along with delay start and keep warm options, make everyday cooking more precise and convenient while keeping the front panel easy to wipe clean. A dark ceramic interior, multiple rack positions, and bright halogen lighting make it simple to monitor dishes and rearrange pans without constantly opening the door. The stainless steel finish, thick multi-layer glass door, and compatibility with many 24-inch to 30-inch cooktops make it a sleek, safety-conscious choice for modern kitchens.